Victoria are no longer together.
Stop it. Before you get your hopes up, I'm not ready to start another relationship. It's too soon.
Really? Okay, give me a moment to regroup. Done. Anyways, I was wondering if you actually wanted to be my partner for the student UN.
So you'd like to win the award you lose every year.
Well, that's not all of it.
Because the award will look good on your college applications and help you get into a better school.
Yeah, that's all of it.
Attention, everyone.
I'm back! Thank you. You guys can go pick up that corpse now. Oh, Karen.
Hello, Duncan.
Hi. Thought you gave up nursing after you got married.
Yeah, well, I'm not married anymore. He said I was loud and bossy. I think he has commitment issues.
Well, it's, nice to see you again.
Is it, Duncan? Is it? Because I remember what happened the last time we were in this room together. Do you?
I believe I resigned due to a temporary misunderstanding.
You popped one of these saline bags and squirted it in my face.
Tomato.
I'm keeping my eye on you, Duncan. I've had a lot of problems with nurses returning from maternity leave. You're going to be all like, wah, I miss my baby, are you?
Of course not.
Good.
I'm gonna be all, I can't believe I've worked with you again. Here's our presentation, and since we're Italy, I decided to draw a nice little map of our nation on the cover.
Oh, good. That's Italy. I was afraid you were drawing some boots that you wanted.
Look, I don't draw boobs. I'm not that shallow.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Why are you taking the baby?
Don't worry, my dad's gonna meet me at school and we're gonna do a handoff. Like in football. Anyway, it'll be fine. He'll be such a sweet little boy.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy, bird?
He's obviously in distress.
Are you happy, bird?
Amazing. Lullabies were forbidden in my house. My mother would only allow me to listen to 18th century Italian operas.
Oh, so that's why you turned out to be the way that you are.
You've been arrested by Sheriff Kitty. Go to the dog pound. I don't get it. You name's called Puppy Town, but the sheriff's a cat? Okay. You win again, Charlie. The 10th straight time. No more Puppy Town. I'm all puppied out. Somebody else. You want to read a book? Okay. Return to Puppy Town. My phone's upstairs. Hang on. Okay. It's your turn to watch Charlie. Just a minute. What did you say? Charlie, did you
Rosie. Are you pretty?
Oh,
Are you pretty?
I used to play with my son.
Yeah? Are you pretty?
I'm pretty good.
Yeah? Yeah?
Okay, hotshot.
Are you pretty? Are you pretty?
And this is my
Yeah?
Toby. Isn't he adorable?
Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Are you pretty?
I'm showing everyone pictures of my plant.
Yes?
How wise of you to get
Are you
something
pretty?
you can't run away.
Well, okay, you pretty?
Help yourself. Take pictures
Yeah?
of the plant. Make people
Yeah?
look at it.
Tell me. Are you pretty?
Check your blood pressure, Mr. Franklin.
You call me Toby.
Oh,
Are you pretty?
that's my baby.
Woogie, woogie.
What do you know about that?
Woogie.
I just miss him so much.
Are you pretty?
You're hurting me.
Woogie.
I would never hurt you.
Are you pretty?
Hey, I can't feel my arm.
What? I'm sorry, Mr. Franklin. I'm just
Are you
having
pretty?
trouble focusing.
Are you pretty?
You work in a hospital, no need to focus on your job.
Thank you for understanding.
Do it again. Do it again.
What you reading?
Return to
Do it again. Do it again, Rosie.
Why would dogs obey a cat? Thank you.
Dance, dance, dance. Girl.
So,
Rosie. Ooh. Come on, dance.
I thought she was with you.
I thought she was with you.
Dude, why are you laughing?
Because you're pretending you don't know where Charlie
I
is.
don't know where Charlie is.
What? This is suddenly not funny.
You think?
I gotta find her. Charlie! Charlie! Hey! Dad!
Hey, Dad?
What are you doing?
Playing hide and go seek.
Come on, Rosie. Do it again.
You wanna help us look?
Do it again. Come on, baby. Do it again. Do it again. Happy, happy, happy.
Here's an idea. Why don't
Do
you
it again, Rosie.
Mrs. Dabney's house?
Come on, baby.
You wanna know
Do it
why?
again, baby. Come on, Rosie.
You're not very good at this game? No, because Mrs. Dabney called me an hour ago to tell me that Charlie had gone over there.
Rosie, Rosie, Rosie.
So, little moment of panic.
Hi there. Hi.
Go get it.
Hi. Happy, happy.
You guys come back. We're having a little
Happy, happy bird. Yeah. I love you. Happy, happy, happy bird.
Sheriff Kitty.
Rosie.
What doesn't make any sense?
Happy, happy bird. Come on, Rosie. Happy, peppy. Come on, baby. Come on.
This is who you're
Boogie, boogie, boogie. Dance, dance. Come on.
mentally inferior.
She's not.
Hi.
She's smart.
Sitting right here, guys.
Dance, dance.
If you'll excuse me, I'm
Come on.
actually
Dance, dance, dance. Come on. Do it again.
Of course she would be normal.
Come on, Rosie. Dance. Come on.
Irresistible.
Come on, dance.
Dad, where are you?
Come on, dance.
What?
Ooh.
Man, okay.
Come on, baby.
Get here as fast as you can. Okay,
Come on, Papa. Rosie. Look at the camera.
so
Hey,
kinda
I'm talking to you.
for a little while. What?
Rosie, Rosie. Happy birthday.
No one will even know he's here.
Come on, dance.